I am Professor Ravindra Kumar B, Senior Professor and Chairman of Department of Economics, Tumkur University. I welcome you all for the Environmental Economics course. This course has been designed under the platform of SWAYAM and also developed and promoted by massive open online course. We call it MOOC. Environmental economics that focuses on economic policies, economic growth, on the life of the people and on the earth. Economics of environment will have a greater significance that always involves how the world will always address the number of global challenges by bridging the economic growth with sustainability. One will be able to understand the economic data and financial backing through the analysis of environmental economics. There are a number of areas where we can identify, for example, economic, environment, sustainability, value addition, value concepts, economic concepts, benefits, externality, public goods, intellectual property rights, and taxes. Certainly, this course will have a 52 modules covering 15 weeks with 5 credits. Those who would like to join the course will have a greater employment opportunities as environmental economist, sustainable consultant, and policy analyst. I hope you will have a rewarding experience and days to come to enjoy the course of environmental economics. All the best for joining the course.